Okay, I have this Morgan dollar. It's a 1921. It's actually D mint mark on this coin. Now, do you notice something about this coin? Do you see the splotches and things on this coin? There's something on this coin. There's splotches on obverse and reverse, and I'm not sure what it is. It looks something like maybe PVC damage to the coin or something like that. Well, we're going to take a look at this, and we're going to see if we can restore the coin or see what we can do with it. So my name is Daniel, and you're watching CoinHELPu. If you need help with coins, go to CoinHELPu community. There is a link in a pinned comment and in the description of this video. You go right over there, and you can watch the video on how to post. Also, portsmouthcoinshop.com. If you'd like to buy coins, check out what we have to offer and to sell. Go over to portsmouthcoinshop.com. So what we're going to do, we're going to see if we can restore this 1921 D Morgan dollar. So what I want to do, I want to get a little bit closer and see if we can find out exactly what is going on with this coin, because there is some stuff on it. I want to see if I can get close enough to see if I can tell what it is. And as I told you before, I really like this microscope. It's a lot of fun. When you can connect something like this to a screen and then take a video of it and do a video, that's really cool. Like I said, I'm focusing as I go down here, and we're going to take a look. Look how close I am. I'm really close. I'm not sure exactly what magnification I am. It doesn't tell me that. But anyway, we look at one of these spots here, and they're all over the coin. So it's not really, it's the little brown area, yellow. We're going to try to get into these here and see if you can't really tell what's going on. Can't tell if it's corrosion or corroded on it or into the metal. So what I'm going to do, I'm probably going to try acetone first. And if that don't work, then I'm going to use easiest. Okay, so you can see you can't really tell what those little splotches are. Can't tell what's going on. So we can just see if not all coins can be restored. I'm 50-50 on this coin. Do I think I can improve it? I'm hoping I can. I think I can, but then again, I could be wrong. So let's just see if I'm right. Let's see if I'm wrong. Okay, I used acetone, and acetone did it. Acetone actually removed whatever that was on the coin, which I'm pretty sure it was PVC residue. The reason I say that is that the Q-tip had a little slight bit of green on it. It wasn't much. It didn't seem to harm the coin. We will look at this coin a little bit closer. Can't really see it very well in this. It's too far from the coin. So we'll get a little bit closer on the coin. So as you can see, that white film is no longer there. You can still see the toning. See, acetone will not remove the toning on the coin. It won't harm the original surface that was there, but you don't see that white splotchy film on it. You can, we're right close to the date. Like I said, you can see the toning that we saw, didn't touch it, but that white film is gone. Looked like PVC. There was a little bit of green residue on the Q-tip. Now, PVC is just what's left over from, like, vinyl or something that was stored in. But looks good. This one, we'll get a little bit closer on it and just see. Like I said, I used a Q-tip, and a lot of people are like, man, you can't use Q-tips on coins. You're going to scratch your coins. You're going to damage your coins. You have to really want to damage a coin to do that to a coin. So anyways, I like the results. It did work. What I was looking at is like the white film that you saw on it there. We can do a comparison side by side. I'll show you. It's a nice coin, 21D, AU condition. So this is what I wanted to show you. I took an image with the microscope before and after at the same distance off the coin, and this is what it looked like before. You can see all the splotches that's on the coin, but you can still see the toning, and then this is what it looked like afterwards. So basically, you can see that it left the toning, it left the original surface, it just removed whatever that gray, whitish looking substance was that was on the coin, which, like I said, I think it was residue from a vinyl flip or something like that this coin was stored in the past. But I'm very happy with the results. It did not harm this coin. This coin's a lot better off now. It's not as unsightly. It doesn't have anything that's going to eat into the silver, so, or at least do something to the silver and ruin the surface. So, like I said, it's an AU coin. It's already been circulated and handled as it is. Now it's better. So thanks for watching my latest video. Please like, share, and comment, and have a great day.